Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we're going to talk about glass in your car and if you're in a situation you need to get out of, whether it's water, fire, or unfortunately all the above, turned over car on the side of the road. We're going to talk about items you can have in your car and how to use them. So this is pretty self-explanatory. It's what they call a glass hammer. It's got two good points on it and it has a seatbelt tear. So your seatbelt's on, put that razor right in there, slice it right open, and then you take this and smash. I'm going to try the punch. It's like a center punch. It sits on your keychain, you pull this thing right off, and there's your razor blade for your seatbelt. Fit right in there nice and smooth. And then you have the center punch. The whole piece, the part that has the hole, goes up against the glass. Let's see how it works. There you have it. Wow. Now this glass is not safety glass, so it comes from an older car. New glass will have a film on it. This has got partial film, that's why it is the way it is. But it should have a big sheet of fold that you could just fold right out.
What if your car has window tint? I'm going to show you how to use this hammer on this window. Now when you're using this hammer, you want to hit somewhere on the top of the window. That way when the glass shatters, the glass goes down and it's not falling on your hand. All right, so now I'm going to show you what it's like to smash a window with tint on it. I'm going to use this hammer. You want to remember that when you smash the window, you want to do it up high. You don't want to do it down low because you're going to have glass fall on your hand and stuff. You want to keep that away. Try to keep your face and arms away as much as possible. So I'm going to try up here in the corner. And I don't know if you can see this, but I have no glass on the inside. With that smashed, I'm gonna have to push on the window. And it just came out that easy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.